subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Shola Azari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to teach you two amazing tricks with a die. The first one is a magic trick, while the second one is more of a bar bet or a challenge. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, you can see over here I have a normal dice. On this side you can see there's 5, and if I turn it over you can see there's 1. So 5 and 1, right? What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to rub the bottom of this dice, and it's going to change into the 2. Okay, so let's see how you can do this magic trick. Okay friends, this is the first dice magic that I've ever learned, and for this dice magic you can do it with any dice, and you need a little bit of sleight of hand move, and you don't need any kind of fancy gadgets for doing this trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the dice like this, and as you turn your hand like this, you're also going to spin the dice like this, and both of these actions happen simultaneously and very fast. For that reason, the actual number below the 4 is 3, but if you actually spin the dice and you turn your hand at the same time and do those motions very fast, it would look like that the 4 has 6 on the bottom. So it would look like this, and again while turning it back, you're again spinning the dice back to its original position, and you are turning your hand like this simultaneously. So it would look like this. And that is a very good illusion. After that you can do some magical gestures and turn over the real bottom of the dice and show that the number has actually changed. Okay friends, so that was the first one. For the second one, you obviously need a die. Along with it, you also need a glass of water filled almost up to the half of the glass, but a little bit more than that. Okay guys, this is another magic trick. Actually it's a bar bet, and you can actually challenge anyone with this trick. So you're going to challenge your opposition that if you drop a dice in this glass of water, it will float near the water surface, but if they drop the same dice again, they won't be able to make it float at the water surface. So let's see. First time I'm actually dropping the dice over here, and as you can see, the dice actually rises up at the water surface. Now I'm going to hand this glass to my opposition, and I'm going to ask him or her to do the same thing, and he or she takes out the dice, and then again I ask him or her to drop it into the water, and as they drop it into the water, this time the dice won't come out, and that's how you are going to win this challenge. So let's see how you can do this. Okay friends, so there's a few requirements for this trick. Firstly, the glass that is containing the water, this water is actually not drinking water, this is tap water. And then we come into the dice. This dice should be made of plastic, and it should have sharp edges over here, sharp corners and irregular surfaces, which is going to help you to do this trick. And then obviously when you are actually going to perform this, the dice should be completely dry. So that is the main secret. So as you actually drop the dry dice, what happens is your dice goes down to the bottom of this glass, and because of its irregular surfaces and sharp edges, it traps some amount of air around it in form of water bubbles, and those air is actually light, and it actually brings the dice up to the surface. But the next time the dice is actually wet, and if your spectator is taking the dice out of the water and then dropping it, that means he or she is actually taking out the wet dice and then they are dropping it, and as they drop it, this time there are no air bubbles formed around the side of the dice, and which will actually cause the dice to go down at the bottom, to settle down at the bottom of the glass. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed learning these two amazing tricks you can do with a single die. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shola_Azari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!